Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB leader. Subscribe for diaspora resistance, justice advocacy, and cultural awakening. Be part of history, every voice matters. Watch as everyday Nigerians speak truth to power and rally behind the hashtag #FreeNamdiKanu movement.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on your locations. I just want to make this video because of what is happening, the current situation of this country called Nigeria and even the Igbo at large now. Please, you guys should mark my English. If my English is not well, if my English is not okay, please manage me, because English is a borrowed language. But I'll try as much as I can to, to speak to the language you all understand. My name is JPac, Chief of Staff. So I want to use this opportunity to, as somebody who have conscience, I have now come to realize what very dark man is saying about Igbo billionaires, Igbo elites, Igbo politicians. Where he was saying such, I called him name. I was thinking that he is attacking Igbo business, Igbo billionaires. But after yesterday, when they passed kangaroo judgment on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I now realize that we in the Igbo, we don't have people, we don't have mouth, we don't have say. Let this video pass across. I know so many people will come and still be tagging me, JPac, you're a coward. Why do you make this video? Yes, the reason why I make this video because I have conscience, and if I speak to you wrongly or in a manner that is not okay, and tomorrow I found out that what you're saying, or this why that you are making points, I will have no option than to come to the public and apologize to you. Yesterday, 1 hour after convicting Nnamdi Kanu, a lot of Igbo billionaires, they keep on posting their business, they keep on posting their estates, they keep on posting their market, they keep on posting as if nothing is happening. The country is on fire. The country is on fire. Problems up and down. Trouble in the north, trouble in the west, trouble in the south, everywhere. This is the worst government I have ever witnessed ever in my life. Since I was born till now, I have never feel pain the same way I feel it. Yesterday made me to ask myself, why am I Igbo? Why am I created as Igbo? Why am I created as Igbo? Please, if I have said anything wrong to some people, knowing and unknowingly, I just say, God forgive. I've realized that the only people that have concern in Igbo is the middle class It's only the middle class that have concern of what is happening to their people. The big fish, nobody cares. The elites, the governors, the senators, nobody cares. Maybe it's because maybe Nnamdi Kanu is not from their side. Maybe because Nnamdi Kanu is not from their side. I made a video some times ago that if Nnamdi Kanu is from Anambra State, he would have come out. I know what my people can do, but you see it. The betrayal of Igbo started in Anambra State, and I have to say it clearly. The betrayal of Igbo nation started in Anambra State, right from Ojukwu. Who betrayed Ojukwu? Anambra man. Who betrayed Wazurike? Anambra person. Who betrayed Nnamdi Kanu? Uchemefo, Anambra person. Maybe because Nnamdi Kanu is fighting a just cause to deliver, to free every Igbo person from bondage. That is why it no concern a lot of Anambrayans. It no concern a lot of Igbo billionaires. They keep on posting their business. They keep posting their business when children are dying, when church are being burned, when massacre are being done on daily basis. No problem. I want to say sorry, please, if I have used some derogatory words on Very Dark Man. I want to say sorry deep from my heart. It is yesterday I realized what you are saying. It's yesterday I realized what you are saying about our people. When you are saying it, I thought you are using them to chase clouds. But it's clear to me. It's clear to me that my people are evil. My people are evil. Igbo billionaires are evil. Igbo elite are evil. Whosoever that is having hand on this evil, evil will never depart from his family. Whosoever that have glorify evil, whosoever that glorify evil, evil will not depart from his family. I don't want to call name, because when you do something to liberate your people, it's still an Igbo person that will pick up your video and say that you are defaming them. I don't want to call name. But I regret. I don't want to regret being an Igbo person. I don't want to regret being an Igbo person. I have seen reason why so many Igbo people in abroad don't want to come back. I have seen reason why they don't want to come back. Because when you come back to fight for your people will betray you. Look at this kind of kangaroo judgment placed on Nnamdi Kanu. He was sentenced on his absence. Who does that? Who does that? Who does that? He was sentenced on his absence. Who does that? When Very Dark Man was saying that a lot of Igbo billionaires, that their hand is in this, I thought he was chasing clouds. I thought he was just a mere talk. But yesterday, that young man fight for Igbo. That young man fight for Igbo. He was everywhere shouting as if they sentenced his brother. be all right. Sorry for I don't have to do this in the public, but I have no other means to do this than to come live video to express my feelings. I have not eaten since yesterday. My wife gave me food. I've never feel, even when my mom died, I've never cried like this. I'm feeling for somebody I have never seen. The only time I set my eyes on Nnamdi Kanu was on court. Right from the day he was extradited from Kenya till date, I have been attending court cases. Unless I don't have money for flights to go to Abuja, I've been attending court cases from the day one. I've never felt for any man in my life like this. Even when my mother died, I only cried for one day. I buried my mother, but I have never felt so pain that my people are the cause of their beat. What is happening to them? Everywhere is silence. Pastors are silent. Bishops are silent. Reverend fathers are silent. Prophets are silent. Even when they are killing prophets, even when they are killing reverend fathers, even when they are burning and massacring people in the church, everywhere is silence. What is happening? What is happening? Are we still in this planet? What is happening? Maybe I don't know. I don't know. Everywhere is silence. Everybody is doing their normal business. Fulani bandits are being granted pardon. Gumi is walking around freely, negotiating with the bandits. A lot of terrorists. Army is guiding terrorists. Army in this country, police is guiding terrorists. Terrorists is using microphone commanding the community what they will do. Demanding ransom publicly. And police will keep their bullion van. Army will keep their bullion van and be guiding terrorists. And they convict somebody who trying to save his people. Army is guiding terrorists. Army is guiding terrorists. Pack their bullion van, pack their distance. 3 army people attack Boko Haram, attack terrorists, and they sanction them. Why do they have to shoot? Nnamdi Kanu committed no crime. Nnamdi Kanu committed no crime. I speak to you, Nnamdi Kanu committed no crime. No crime, no crime. No crime. In the courts, no Igbo man, apart from that man from Abia State, Mwacha, apart from that man from Abia State, everybody, we don't have senators. And we are clamoring for power 2027. Let me see any Igbo man that will come out to come out for president. The time we needed Peter Obi to talk, Peter Obi will not say, because he is sent. Any small thing he will run to Rome. Any small thing he will run to Vatican City. Any small thing he will come. All the killings and attack. What is happening in the Kanu? Peter Obi have never said anything, and I'm waiting for Peter Obi in 2027. Let him come and contest for presidency, and I will ask him, contesting for presidency, is it what you need now, or to fight to liberate your people? Don't worry, 2027 is coming. On that day, save this video, because this is live video. This is live video. After 1 month now, the Facebook will delete it. Find a way and save this video that I am waiting for Peter Obi on 2027 to come and contest that thing he want to contest. I've laid a generational cause. No Igbo man can ever rule Nigeria. No Igbo man born by a woman will ever become president. That thing you people are looking for, you will not see it. I remove my slippers and lay this course. Brother president in Nigeria. Since because of presidency, you guys sell your brother. You can say your bro. No Igbo man, even vice president, you will not smell vice president in this country. Even by chance or by luck or by voting or by anything, no vice president for Igbo and no president for Igbo. We choose to remain as slave. Time Rosen are that slave. It will clear for everybody. Both business people, both in them with a business in Lagos, those people that have business in Abuja, you are protecting your business. Fine, I have no business. If I talk, they say, JPac, you have never laid block. Fine, I have no building, I have no business. But if I have business, if I have property in Lagos, in any way, I can forfeit my property for the sake of my people. I can forfeit my property for the sake of my people. What is the joy of living? The joy of living. You go to small country, you enjoy life. Cotonou, you enjoy life. Uninterrupted power supply. The meeting Nnamdi Kanu had with 5G governors in the states, Enugu State Governor, Abia State Governor, Anambra State Governor, Ebonyi State Governor, and the Imo State Governor. They have the document. The document is there. They have the document is with them. What is the agreement? Nnamdi Kanu came and presented what he wants them to go to Abuja and tell the president. What is it? That Nahacho Kenwe equal rights and justice, that he will drop Biafra. He will drop the agitation of Biafra. That he wants I just saw this comments. Let me block this person immediately. That they should send message to Mr. President that what will make him to drop the agitation of Biafra is that they will have seaports. As they have seaports in Lagos, they will have seaports in Port Harcourt, functioning seaports in Port Harcourt, functioning seaports in Iguacha, functioning seaports. Those places, as they make Lagos State International Airport, so shall it be in the Enugu, because they have international airports in the Kaduna, Kanu. Flights take off from Kanu and Kaduna. They will make Enugu International Airport so that the flights will be flying the same way Lagos is operating. People can comfortably have an embassy. There will be embassy in the southeast. No embassy in the southeast. No embassy in the southeast. And you people are rejoicing that we are not one Nigeria. We have embassy in Abuja. We have embassy in Lagos. Show me any embassy in the southeast. Just show me one embassy. Because it is that embassy that will make people to come to that place and do business and also fly from that same place. And also fly from that same place. If you want to go to America, America have embassy in Lagos. America have embassy in Abuja. All the embassies, Lagos, Abuja. Show me one single embassy in the southeast. Even in Port Harcourt. Even in Port Harcourt. Oh, you should move Chinese embassy to Port Harcourt so that everybody that wants to go to China should go to Port Harcourt. It will also help the development of that place. That is what Nnamdi Kanu is demanding. Not Biafra. Not Biafra. Make up Onitsha na arụ can we many seaports in Onitsha so that when bigger sea arrive in Lagos, the smaller ship will take the container to Onitsha so that people will do business. Put railway. There's no place we have railway in the southeast. There's no place we have train station in the southeast. But we have train station, railway in Lagos. We have railway in north, Kanu, Kaduna. We have places in north. We have railway. There's no railway in the east. This is what Nnamdi Kanu is asking for. This is what Nnamdi Kanu is asking for. Main railway. God, the north, then west. Yeah, the one now east. Nothing more. Nothing more. Thank you very much. Please, for those of you, if I have disappointed you, maybe I can't control my emotion, my feelings. I have not. See, look at this is around 5 o'clock. This is 5:24. Since yesterday, I have not been myself. I have not eaten. I don't want to test it. I don't want to eat it. Only water. But I believe I'll be fine. This year goes to be. It have showed me a lot of things for my people. Now I know the kind of hand that we use on my people. Those that protest their business is written in the scripture those that protect and preserve their life will lose it. And those that lay their life for the love of their people will gain his life back. And I pray for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is not the end, and I can never conclude that it's gonna be the end, because we still have God in heaven. God have the final say. God have the final say. Nobody is a giver of life. If you cannot give life, you have no power to take life. If you can't give life, I have no power to take life. All hope can never be lost. And I pray for that young man. Anyway he is, all I'm praying for him is good health. If he falls sick, let him take him to hospital. He will not die, and I pray he can never die. That is the journey of a freedom fighter. I give him kudos for not being bribed. He's an unbribable hero. Unbribable hero Nnamdi Kanu. My own Messiah. My own Messiah. And Messiah of so many people that believe on him. He doesn't live a life of Igbo man. If he lived a life of a true Igbo man, he would have collected bribe. But I don't know the planet that young man come from. They push him left, right, center. That man is very strong. So I pray for him and his family, his dear children, his wife, his siblings, relations, the lover of freedom, the lover of good work. Every members of their family. Nnamdi Kanu is not dead, and he's not gonna die. His time is not yet, and he will come out from detention. He's a sure. Yes, I have full confidence that he will come out. Either today or tomorrow, anytime, he will come out. Very, very strong. And this will be the beginning of a new dawn. I pray for his family, his life. God will protect him. God will preserve him. The tears of Nigerians, not only Igbo people, because it's no longer Igbo stuff. It's a national case. I saw a lot of Yoruba people, they are crying for that injustice. And also thank Omoyore, Sowore, thank you, God bless you. You're a true friend. You're a true friend. If you come out today, I will vote for you. Yes, I don't have voter's card, but if you come out today, I will vote for you, because it is only you that will defend. It is only you that will defend your vote. Unlike my brother Peter Obi, whom Nigeria suffered finish, carry vote, give hand. Person will win the election. He come on the brother light. Oh, the don't the JSO. Do you think that Nigeria is a state of JSO? Something people die in the polling unit. A lot of things happen. Somebody who win Lagos, what else? Win Abuja, you win the election, you leave your vote. Somebody tear your hand and collect your vote. Tomorrow you say I should come out and vote for you again. Are you trying to tell me that if it is so worried that got that kind of vote Peter Obi have, that nobody born by a woman that can collect that mandate from Sowore? Tomorrow you say I should support Peter Obi. You don't support Nnamdi Kanu, so we will not go to support him. As he not come out to speak, even if he speak tomorrow, I cannot take it. Because Peter Obi is a cunning man. He's a cunning man. If he come out today, he will lose. And it's going to be a very big shame and disgrace to Peter Obi. If he come out today, they will use him to shine. The best for him is to just go in and sleep, because if he come out, the shame and disgrace is going to be much. The shame and disgrace is going to be much. There's no need of painting words. I'm tired of painting words or hiding under, trying to be. No, this time around, I have to say the truth and nothing but the truth. Thank you, Omoyore Sowore. You are not an Igbo man, but you came all the way from your side to Abuja. I saw your video. You are shouting, almost burst into tears as if it's your own blood. Yes, Nnamdi Kanu is your own blood, because whosoever that love good work, that love freedom, their blood match together. God bless you. Very dark man. As he say, sorry, please. I'm very sorry. I'm very, very sorry. Out of emotion and love, you have to know that I love my people. I love my people. I love my people beyond anything you can imagine in this life. I don't like seeing anybody humiliating or talking bad about my people or talking bad about the business of my people, because our people will love business. But at the same time, almost what you are saying about my people, they are 100% right. I was attacking you because of the love I have for my people. But yesterday, everything cleared on my eye. Even as I speak to you today, many people are still drinking in beer parlor, rejoicing as if they have eliminated their problem. Yes, they are rejoicing, posting their estate, posting their property. You are still posting it. Who will buy it? Igbo person. And they don't want to sympathize with Igbo people. You don't want to sympathize with Ndi Igbo. And you are posting your business for those Igbo people to come and buy. God bless you. I wish you well in whatever you are doing. Pico, very dark man. Those people that follow him or have his number should send this video. It pains me. I'm doing this video because I have conscience. Nobody forced me. It's what my spirit told me to do. Yes, I am not a coward, and I can never be a coward. Doing a video which you know that if you are the right, and somebody who is fighting for the welfare of your people, I can't attack you. I cannot attack you. If I have done that before, that is out of ignorance. Yes, and you should know that I love my people. I love my people. I always defend my people. I always defend my people. Please. Please. This is not a coward. I'm not a coward. And I can never be. But if you have conscience, and even if somebody, your enemy, you hate somebody to the marrow, and that person you hate is fighting or doing something that will benefit you, or doing something that will put, how will I use it? Even if you hate, you hate somebody, and that person you hate is showing you the road that even if you hate me, I will not allow you to dash your foot on a stone. I don't think I have a satanic heart.
Tell you, my Lord, and I'm most grateful. My point is a very simple one, my Lord. Very, very simple. My charge sheet, as presently constituted, does not reveal or disclose any written law in Nigeria as at this very morning.
Thank you.
It doesn't exist, my Lord. And very finally, I think it is very, very important